Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can enable the always on display clock on your iPad. The first step is to go to settings, and in the left panel find the display and brightness, and then go to the auto lock section. And this is the place where you decide how long the screen is going to stay on before it locks itself. In our case, we want to make sure that it stays on all the time, so we have to select the never option. Outside of that, you have also these other time frames. So now that we have it, we can either just find some place on the internet where the clock is displayed, but I believe the best option is essentially just swipe down on the home screen like this and go to the lock screen page, the view in here, where we have the time and a couple of things. So if you want to make sure that the time is visible on the iPad, well, I'm going to edit it in a way that only the time is visible and that it's much more prominent. So now we're going to hold down on it, click on customize, and at the clock, I'm going to resize it to make it much bigger. And I'm also going to click on it and choose a different color because this one is looking a little bit better, and perhaps make it a little bit thicker like this. Well, to be honest, I don't really like these widgets in here, so I'm going to click on the minus icon next to each of them to make them disappear like that, so we have a nice clean screen like this. Let's not forget to hit it done in the top right corner, and this is essentially the page which shows the time, and it's going to stay on indefinitely. Right? Because we set the screen to never lock itself. Just keep in mind that if you lock your iPad, and then just tap the screen, now the screen will go black because the iPad is locked, right? So after a few seconds, the screen is going to lock itself. But if you unlock the iPad first, using Face ID or a passcode, you can now swipe down, and if you leave it like this, the time is going to stay on and it will be presented. So for a lot of use cases, the iPad is like great for this because you can have it on a display somewhere and it's just going to show the time. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.